there it is, the little one, the only one left among the four. Hope he can survive. Hope it will survive. Ginger cat, the everyone most one cat. Yes, everyone's favorite cat, Garfield. And hope this one survived and be just like the other cats living in this world. He's sleeping. The little one is sleeping. Yeah, so far for now it doesn't have a genital yet because it's too young. Maybe sooner. That's right.